What if learning IT actually guaranteed a career and not just a certificate? That is exactly why KIT Skill Hub was born. Hi, I'm Oshipra Ghosh and I'm the Academic Operations Manager at KIT Skill Hub. We started with a simple thought. Too many talented students were finishing degrees but struggling to get a good job. We wanted to change that. That's how KIT Skill Hub came alive, a place where skills meets confidence and classroom connects directly to careers. We offer live hands-on IT courses from full-stack development to data science, UI/UX, AWS, DevOps, and digital marketing, online and offline both in Hyderabad. What really sets us apart? All our students get communication coaching, mock interviews, placement support, and resume building absolutely at no cost. We are building not just skills but confidence. Our mission is clear: to bridge the gap between education and employment and give students industry relevant skills, the confidence to use them, and the right guidance to succeed. And our vision: to become the go-to IT training institute in India, especially in Hyderabad, online or offline, where knowledge, clarity, and confidence matters just as much as coding. Backed by the Couple Group, we have already helped 1,000+ students take their first step into the IT world. So students, join our free demo class today and let's build your future together.
Every student here gets a chance to work on real internships and projects, gaining experience that companies really value. We also understand that technical knowledge alone is not enough. That's why we train you in soft skills. At KIT Skill Hub, your career journey does not stop at learning. It begins there. And the results? They speak for themselves. Our students have landed offers, cracked interviews, and got offer and started careers once they only dreamt of.
At KIT, every success is celebrated because every place